All right, talking about Father's Day coming up, talking about grilling options. So going through and sharing recipes that I utilize pretty much daily, day-to-day basis at the family household. So, you know, talking about Father's Day, we're gonna talk about Porterhouse steak. So we're reaching into our Colburn's Flavor Seal program. Can't get no better than this. Outstanding flavor profiles in this Hereford beef that they use here at Colburn's in the Four Brothers program. Now with the Flavor Seal packaging, what we're getting is, you can see it's nice and tight, unlike the foil tray stuff. You're not gonna get more than just your 3 to 5 day shelf life. You know, so it's gonna keep things fresh. You're also gonna get 21 days for a bone-in product like this Porterhouse right here. So with that being said, we're gonna take this beautiful cut of meat, and then we're gonna pair it with steak and potatoes. When we make baked potatoes, this is my wife's family's recipe. So they would take their baked potato, you wash it off, and then you're literally just gonna split it down the middle. So you have 2 halves like that. A little salt and a little pepper. And then we're gonna take a little onion. I have, through the magic of television, already kind of done up over here. And then we're just gonna cut little slices, just like that. I prefer to do the half moons like that because it fits nicer into the potato. You can go as much of the onion as you want, as little of the onion as you want. Some pepper in there. I'm a pepper guy, so I'm gonna go heavy on the one for mine, and then the wife, not so much, so we'll just do a little bit for her. We'll also take some nice Amish butter. You can use whatever kind of butter you like at home. And then we're also gonna cut some coins out of that as well. As little or as much as you want. We don't yuck yums. So we'll just cut. So once again, I like the half moon approach. I'm also not the biggest butter guy. So we'll just do that. The onions in there. And now the wife, she is straight from Wisconsin, so she loves her butter and cheese. So we'll get her in there like that. And then, like I said, we'll just, those onions just fit nicer in there when they're like that. Discard that. Then you just get a nice piece of aluminum foil, because you can do this in the oven, or you can do them in the grill. So we're gonna take that side right there. And then we're just gonna crush them up like that, close them up like that, and then we're gonna wrap them. Fold it over. Nice and tight. We got one done. Take our next piece of aluminum foil. Go to the same process. So we have our baked potatoes ready. Now we can move on to our steak. Now coming to our steak, what we're gonna do, we're gonna crack this bad boy up. I'm gonna use some of the Four Brothers 10,000 Lake seasoning. That's it, you know, nice, simple, lovely flavor on there. That's what my choice is. We're gonna go nice and good amount on there. We want that kind of salt is gonna bring that moisture up, and then it's gonna draw it back down. So we wanna get some of that flavor in there. You know, you don't have to be bashful, you also don't have to be crazy. Just make sure we have it evenly seasoned. And then we're ready to go on the grill. Yep, they work. Now we're outside, we got all our prep work done for our Father's Day grill out. We got our Porterhouse, Four Brothers Porterhouse that we're working on, just so we don't stick. And then we just want to lay it down. I like to give it a nice pat, so you make sure all that area is down. Things that can get sometimes a little tricky when you're cooking porterhouses, the bone won't let it sit flat. What we're just gonna do, you cook to your temperature. We're just gonna let that get some nice grill marks on there. And we're doing the grill marks. We're gonna let it kind of cook for, 2 minutes, and then we'll pull it up, and then we'll do a 180-degree rotation so we can get the X's. So we'll just let it kind of cook up right there. All right, now we got our grill going. Our meat is ready. I have pulled it off so it can start resting. Look at that beautiful porterhouse right there. Sure to make any dad's Father's Day the best one that they've had. Our vegetables are ready. Our potatoes are ready. So now we're ready to plate up and eat. Now that is what I call a Father's Day meal.